Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Garden Warfare 2 video. Today, we're going to be doing a 1 million coin pack opening. Okay, well actually we're going to be doing a 1,046,000 coin pack opening, but that just doesn't sound as catchy. Anyways, with all that said, let's start opening up the packs. I'm hoping I can unlock at least one legendary character. I already have a sticker piece for all of the legendary characters I don't have yet, so all I need is one legendary sticker piece and then I unlock it. Alright, next pack. Haven't gotten anything good yet. Imagine I open up all these packs just to get like nothing. It'd be kind of funny, but like also really annoying at the same time. Nice. Alright, well we unlocked Scallywag Imp. That's pretty good. I'm hoping to also unlock at least one other character. I mean, I don't really care. I already got Scallywag Imp, so I'm pretty much good, but you know, maybe one more. I have a good feeling about this pack. Yeah, you know what? Never mind. I am starting to run a little bit low on coins now. Incubator. You know what, maybe if I try switching over to zombies real quick, I'll have better luck. I've only got a few packs left that I can open, so hoping I, you know, get something else. Are there any other legendaries hiding in these packs? Even if it's Disco Chomper, could I just unlock one more legendary? That one made another cool sound. Well, this is the last pack, actually. So hopefully I can get something out of it. That thing really baited me for a second. I thought I actually got something. Let me go beat up this Torchwood real quick. I was honestly hoping to unlock another legendary character, but I'm still pretty happy with Scallywag Imp. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you did. I don't have anything to say other than that, so yeah. See ya.